Boses daw yan.
How many times do I have to show you what I feel when you are beside me? And I know it's true that nothing lasts forever. But I promise my love, the song will last for you. Oh, we have to believe in what we're fighting for. We're fighting for. We have to be strong. We have to find this feeling to the end of the line. We'll go, and I know it's true. That nothing lasts forever. But I promise my love, my song will last for you. How can we be more than of what we are? How can we be? How can we reach the time that you and me will never gonna say goodbye? And I know it will come. The time that I've been waiting for. The time that you and me will say I do. How can we be more than what we are? How can we reach the time that you and me will never gonna say goodbye? And I know you will come. The time that I've been waiting for, the time that you and me will say I do. Thank you.
Alright, Dancing Band. Welcome back dito sa Walang Tulugan.
Welcome back, welcome back.
Yes,
Magandang umaga.
Ay,
Kamusta
umaga na
naman?
talaga to. At the noontime all over the world, may gabi pa nga di ba? Welcome back, Cheryl, sila kasi
Oo nga.
nakarating na sila dito nung medyo, I think first television appearance niya ba yun?
Yeah, opo.
Yeah, that
December
was
yun,
December. Actually, after yun, nung may racket kami.
You work with them already, ah?
Yes, I've worked
Okay.
with them and they're really, really good, Kizan. And syempre naman, hindi tayo magtataka dahil, alam mo ito mga to, galing sila sa dugong musikero talaga.
Sino ang related kay Joey Abando? Ay,
Alam mo, tatay ko yun eh.
Kapatid ko lang.
At kayo, ano ba kayo lahat?
We're all cousins.
Cousin.
Mga pinsang
Cousin.
Aba,
po.
pag ganito may pamilya, kailangan magpakilala isa-isa. Starting
Oo nga.
from this side. What's your name?
Kim? Si Ron.
Uy, ba to Parang ano tayo pare. And?
Ako po si Joey.
Joey.
Si Joey, sir.
My name is Iñaki.
Iñaki.
Ako po si H. Ako na po si Ken.
And?
Po si Jan.
Oh, ay, katukayo pa. Pakita na
Talaga
natin.
naman. Ito yung kanilang
Finally.
album. Ayan po. So tell us about this. This is under?
Lyrics, music, and distributed by
GMA Records,
Ay,
of course.
siyempre
Kapuso. Kapuso naman pala eh. So, ilang track? Ito ba mga awitin dito? Compositions nyo lahat o meron kayong cover song?
Lahat po,
All original.
Wala po kami revised.
8 tracks po yan.
8 tracks.
Yung kanina, You and Me Will Say
Will Say
I
I
Do.
Do.
Aba, sino ba
Ang
sa
ganda
iyo
nun,
nag-I Do? Wala pa naman.
Wala pa naman. Actually, it's a story of our friend. Ginawa po namin yung song na yan para po sa kanya.
Parang wedding song.
Yeah, I think so.
Out na to, di ba? Remind your fans out there, yung
Yes,
mga nagpupunta sa Cowboy Grill and the other places that you make tuk-tuk all the time, di ba?
Yeah, again, magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Iniimbitahan po namin kayo already out in the market. Sana po makakuha po kayo ng kopya ng album po namin sa lahat po ng Odyssey, Astro Plus, Astro Vision, Music Box. Ayan, sana po makakuha po kayo ng kopya.
Ganda.
Pero syempre,
Kukunin lang? Hindi bibilin? Hindi bibilin ko.
of course, syempre, also available over the counter of Kobe Grill. So,
Ayun.
Pwede pwede ma-promote
Dapat
yun
happy.
sa radyo ni Kuya Germs. So aside from this, what are you busy with? Sa kayo regular na mapupuntahan?
Every Friday po sa Kobe Grill, Mabini po kami. Ngayon po yun.
Oo nga eh. Tapos, oo
Ano
nga.
yun?
Quezon na
Quezon na pero.
Alam mo naman dito.
Busy?
Anyway, ito ang dapat na album na bilhin nyo. The Heart of Instinct, One Full Romance. But I'm not gonna buy this unless you shout, Walang
Tuluyan!
We'll be right back.
Thank you.